Do you have irregular period, acne, weight gain, unwanted hair growth on face? These may seem like separate problems, but they all point to PCOD. And PCOD is not just about your ovary. Stress, physical activity, sleep, weight, and metabolic health influence the picture. So today, let's work on all of these things together with simple yoga session. Namaskar. First, let's understand PCOD very simply. There are three important areas we need to work on: hormonal imbalance, metabolic factors, and lifestyle factors such as inactivities, excess weight, and stress. This is where yoga can be very helpful. At the Yoga Institute, through our health camp and in other yoga programs, we have seen remarkable improvement in women dealing with PCOD. Consistent yoga practice with right lifestyle changes not only helps in managing the condition, but in some cases it can even reverse it. So let's get on the mat and begin our hormone balancing yoga sequence to overcome PCOD. We will start with Malasan with Ashwini Mudra. This is a good way to begin because we are bringing attention to the pelvic region right at the start. In Ashwini Mudra, you are gently contracting and relaxing the muscles around the anal and the genital region. It is good for menstrual irregularity and PCOS. Stand with the feet comfortably apart. Slowly bend your knees and lower your pelvis towards the floor. Bring your hands together in front of chest. Don't worry if your heels don't stay completely on the floor. You can place support underneath them. Now gently contract the pelvic muscles as you inhale and relax them as you exhale. Keep the contraction gentle. There is no need to squeeze hard. Do this 5 to 6 times. And if the full squat is uncomfortable, use support. Now come up slowly. Relax your shoulders. Take 2 comfortable breaths and let's move on. Now we have a gentle spinal twist, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Twisting gives the abdomen and the spine some movement while also working the muscles around your waist. This asan tones your abdominal muscles and supports metabolism. Sit with your legs stretched forward. Bend your left leg and bring heel towards the perineum. Now bend your right leg and place the right foot outside the left knee. Turn your body towards the right. Bring your left hand around the right ankle or hold your big toe and place your right hand behind you. Keep your spine comfortably upright. Don't try to force yourself deeper into twist. Start for a few comfortable breaths, then slowly release. Repeat on the other side. Practice 2 rounds on each side. Your body benefits more from comfortable, controlled movements than forcing yourself into a posture. Now let us add some strength with Naukasana or boat pose. For PCOD, building strength is important because your yoga practice should not only help you relax, it should also keep you physically active. Naukasana works the abdominal muscles and challenges your core. So here, lie on your back, keep your legs together and your arms beside your body. Now inhale. As you exhale, slowly raise your head, shoulders and legs together. Lift only as much as you comfortably can. Keep breathing normally. Stay for a few seconds. Slowly lower yourself down. Relax. Repeat 2-3 rounds. If you are a beginner, don't worry about lifting too high. Even a smaller lift of 1 inch can challenge the muscles. Relax completely. Take 2-3 slow, deep breaths. Notice your abdomen moving as you breathe. And now we come to a stronger posture. This is Dhanurvakrasan or bow pose. It is more demanding posture, but it has a special place in this sequence because it works the back, the abdomen and pelvic region together. It improves circulation to the abdomen and reproductive regions and is very effective in menstrual disorders. But if you have hernia, high blood pressure, peptic ulcers or serious spinal problem, don't do Dhanurvakrasan. as it puts pressure on the abdomen area, and it is a stronger back bend. Lie on your abdomen with the forehead on the ground. Keep your legs together. Bend both knees. Reach back and hold your ankles. Now inhale and gently raise your head and chest while drawing your legs upwards. Create the shape of a bow. Don't jerk the body. Don't pull the ankles too much. Stay for a few comfortable seconds. Then exhale and slowly release. Relax on the abdomen. Repeat 3 rounds, resting briefly between them. Now we come to Halasan, the plow pose. Lie on your back with the arms besides you. Slowly raise your leg. Then only if you can do so comfortably and safely, take the legs over your head towards the floor behind you. Keep the movements slow. Never force the legs to touch the ground. And most importantly, don't put unnecessary pressure on the neck. Stay only for a comfortable duration. Then slowly bring the legs back and relax. Practice 1-2 rounds according to the capacity. If you are new to Halasan, learn it from a trained teacher rather than trying to achieve the final position on your own. After that inversion, let's come into Setubandhasana, the bridge pose. This is a lovely counter pose because it gently opens the front of the body while strengthening the back and pelvic region. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet comfortably on the floor. Keep the feet separate about hip distance apart. Now press your feet into the floor and slowly lift your pelvis. Keep the thighs active. Keep the breathing natural. Stay for a few comfortable breaths. Then slowly lower the pelvis. Relax for the moment. Repeat 3 times. Notice how your body is gradually moving from effort towards relaxation. Now we have completed the asanas. Before we practice pranayam, allow your body to settle. Come into Makarasana. Lie comfortably on your abdomen. Keep your legs relaxed and slightly apart. Rest your arms comfortably under your head to make a pillow. Close your eyes. Now take few slow deep breaths. With every exhalation, let the abdomen, shoulder and face soften. Just stay here for a few moments. Yoga is not only about doing more. The ability to relax completely is just as important as being active. Now we move from the body to the breath. We will do Shunyaka Pranayama, a gentle suspension of breath after exhalation. But if you have a heart condition or have conditions such as slip disc or peptic ulcer or duodenal ulcer, avoid Shunyaka. Sit comfortably with your spine erect. Take a normal breath in. Now exhale slowly and comfortably. Gently draw the abdomen in. Hold the breath out about 5 seconds. Then relax the abdomen and breathe in slowly. Take a couple of normal breaths and then repeat again. Let's do 5 rounds. There should be no struggle. If you feel uncomfortable, stop and breathe normally. Beginners can start about 5 seconds and don't exceed more than 10 seconds. Now for calming the system, we will do Anuloma Viloma or alternate nostril breathing. PCOD can be physically demanding, but constantly worrying about periods, weight, fertility, or appearance can add another layer of stress. So, we want to teach the body and mind how to slow down. Sit comfortably, keep your spine straight, erect, and close your eyes. Use your right hand to gently control the nostril. Breathe in through the right nostril while keeping the left nostril closed. Hold your breath and exhale through the left nostril. Then breathe in through the left nostril. Hold your breath and exhale through the right nostril. This is 1 round. Do 5 rounds and take couple of normal breaths. Keep the breath slow, smooth and comfortable. There should be no sound and force. Notice how different the mind feels when the breath becomes quiet. And finally, we come to Yoni Mudra. It is a practice of sense withdrawal or pratyahara. Instead of constantly reacting to everything around you, you turn your attention inwards. Sit comfortably with your spine erect. Close your eyes. Place your thumb gently over the ear flaps. Let your index finger rest gently over the eyelids. Place the middle finger near the nostrils and the ring and little finger around the lips. Don't press hard. Keep your elbows comfortably lifted. Now simply observe your breath. Your mind may wander. That's normal. Don't fight thoughts. Just bring your attention back to the breath. Staying in this position for about 5 minutes or as long as you can remain comfortable. Let the breath become quiet. Let the body become still and just observe. So, that was your complete hormone balancing yoga session for PCOD. But remember one important thing. You cannot separate your yoga practice from your lifestyle. Your hormones are influenced by the way you move, eat, sleep, and handle stress every day. Here are 2 small things that you should follow. First, keep your body moving throughout the day. Don't sit continuously for hours. Even if you exercise in the morning, get up very often during the day. Walk around, stretch, climb a few stairs, or simply move for a couple of minutes. Your body is designed to move, not sit for 8 hours. And then exercise for 30 minutes. Protect your sleep. Sleep and wake up at regular time. Poor, irregular sleep affects your stress, appetite, and metabolic health, all of which are important when it comes to PCOD. Third, make a relaxation as part of your routine. Don't wait until you are completely stressed to relax. Do something you enjoy, play games, take up a quiet hobbies, or visit your friends. Stay joyful. Remember, move regularly, sleep well, and make time to relax. Practice this sequence regularly. Yoga is a way of working with your body and mind. Take care of your body properly and listen to it. This way, you will be able to keep your mind in a balanced state all the time. Namaskar.